My name is Betsi. I love music. When I went in for the job, I just wanted to be able to not necessarily help people, but make people feel as supported as the youth workers made me feel. When I feel like something's wrong or I want to go out and make a project, anything like that, they'll make it happen. And if they can't for whatever reason, they'll be there to support me in any other way. And I think that's one of the biggest things for young people, is knowing that you have that support. I think music is generally one of the best things a young person can get involved in. I think the things it can do for you are like unimaginable almost. Like the way you can become more confident with yourself, make friends, everything is really special. And I think everyone should get involved in music in one way or another. I think it's super important because I know tons of people who want to start making music or get involved with things like that, but they really just don't know how to.
Are there many girls that play bass and guitar?
No, in my music class, I'm the only girl. So
The only girl that plays bass and guitar?
I'm the only girl in the whole class. Places like sound progression give you the opportunity to not only like make your music, but also make connections and like make things that you could be proud of. It's the place you can go to make something happen. Record yourself playing, make a song, produce. Without places like that, I don't think people would want to get involved. But sound progression honestly can make people want to get involved and then also be really proud of what they've done.